Now, following on from the last example, what I'd like to do this time is to format the chart plot area using a picture. So if I go and click here, as you can see, the plot area is now selected. And if I go and right click over the selected item, I can click where it says Format Plot Area. And from here, instead of having, the defaults, what I can do is say, let's go and select a picture. Now, we've got this sort of default one, which looks a little bit insipid, but what I can do is click on where it says File. Then in here I've got some sample pictures. If I go for this undersea one here and click on Insert, suddenly it looks a lot more interesting. If I click outside it, you can see it looks like this. But maybe it might benefit from this being a bit more transparent. So if I click here on this bar here for the west, what I can then do, now that that's been selected, is I've got the side panel here that says Format Data Series. So if I go here, instead of using this sort of solid color, what I can do is use the solid color but change the transparency. So if I click here to sort of move this along a little bit, so we'll just click here, you can see what happens as you move this along, it becomes transparent like so. So we can go for something that's semi-transparent, maybe something like that. And if I click outside it, again, all of a sudden the entire chart just looks much more interesting.